to the east. This one is developing to the west. And I can see the inflow region. I see exactly what it is. So this is another large wall cloud that's over Lake called Blackwell that could produce a tornado moving towards Stillwater. So continue with your tornado precautions. Mason, you know, does that look like it's getting lower? Go ahead. Mason, it looks like it's getting lower. Go ahead, Michael. Go ahead, Mason. Mason, can you hear me? Okay. Yeah.
Now, we're still watching that wall cloud. Like I said, Bobby is in Stillwater. I can see the lights of Stillwater a little bit. Got a developing lowering wall cloud behind the storm and out of the rain, probably 3 miles east of Lake Carl Blackwell right now. And so we're just out here watching it, Gary. I'm up about 500 feet looking directly north now, if you can see me on the radar.
I got you, and that looks like a developing wall cloud. Now, the stronger wall cloud is, you know, over the Stillwater area right now, just enveloped in rain. As he indicated, strong mesocyclone on XL. That's the circulation still over Stillwater. So it looks like the main one is over the Stillwater area. Bobby's right there. Okay, Bobby's that incredible shot Bobby had is gone. So let's go to ESP, guys. Now back off here. Okay, we're going to first check the ones where we have. Check, make sure those guys are not saying something I need to know about there, okay? Stillwater, and there's one just west of Guthrie coming along Highway 3, and you guys all the
rotating wall cloud over Chickasha,
tornado warning,
Blanchard area,
and also the tornado warning
heading northeast about 25 miles an hour.
There's another storm intensifying just east of Chandler. It looks like it's really vicious. On the Moar, we look at storms near east of Stroud and near Kendrick. So you guys, this is going to come along I-44, the second one towards the Stroud area.
See that lowering
tornado
right
warning
there?
is on the one just to the southeast and east of Stroud. They got this big complex coming up. You know, it doesn't look that organized at the moment. When you look at it on high-resolution radar, it's multicellular, but it's a big complex. It's growing rapidly, and the entire thing could be rotating. So part of the storminess is in the Bridge Creek area, Newcastle, down near Norman, Blanchard, and Hank is right on the south edge of it. Let's see if I can see it.
When you get all those like that, Gary, feeding into it, that's ample rotation, and it's just a matter of minutes before you have something try to come to the ground. Not seeing anything to the ground yet. We're going to move up within a mile.
McLeod along the north.
About 2.
Hey, close your eyes.
What are you doing? Because you need to get in your shelter right now. Because there's a strong circulation in Goldsby heading straight for the house. Turn it to channel 9 and he's talking about it. He said it's supposed to hit Norman 7:30. I'm sitting out here at Goldsby exit watching.
There may be some inflow into that area. I did a little bit of rotation earlier, but it's not that significant. Again, I think it's more outflow dominant right now, Gary.
That's good. And your what's your location again? I don't have your GPS on over here.
I am 2 miles north of Agra, looking southwest.
Okay, you're on the storms moving into the Lincoln County area?
Yes, Gary.
Okay. There's a little hooky thing there. There's a little hooky looking little things, but Bobby's down in the Agra area. That's northern Lincoln County. There's circulation there, but like he says, when he says outflow dominated, that means the winds are coming out of the thunderstorm. That lessens the chance of tornadic activity now, to some degree. It also, you can still have the hail, you can still have the strong winds. But it's just a big old thunderstorm from Kearney and near Wellston over to Meridian, just a little north of Waterloo Road, up to Guthrie. Those dark areas indicate where the largest hail is. Then this little tail end thing that's down in northwestern Oklahoma County right along, let's put it right along Sorghum Mill Road in Waterloo, as far as northwestern Oklahoma County. And what I'll do is go ahead and take a look at that. Make sure it's something we don't have to worry about. So look at the West Oklahoma City Northwest. This doesn't look like anything right now. Good change. So we indicate that circulation way over in Creek County, strong one. We're indicating the severe thunderstorms in Logan County, right along Waterloo, back up northwest, and then come back down to this storm near Meeker. No strong circulation indicated. And Tom, Rob, we have people on all these storms. A lot of hail indicated south of Thunderbird, or along the Thunderbird area, back into East Norman. And there could still be a circulation going on for east parts of Noble, over southeast of Noble.
Rich is on getting there in Noble.
Okay, Rich, go ahead.
Gary, I'm west of I-35 about a mile. Highway 74 Beach Junction looking south. We've got light circulation right now. Very little air inflow from the direction I'm looking at, from the north looking south. This circulation is going up and down, and it looks like just very weak right now, but looks ominous for people down here in this area.
Okay, Rich, appreciate it. It's not the bite is not as bad as the bark. Is that what you say?
Yes, sir.
You're a man. That kind of down there, the strongest circulation we see. We could do about anything anytime we wanted to do it. There's no tornado indicated on the ground at the moment. So severe thunderstorm from Stella through Lake Thunderbird, back to the west, north of Noble.
Hello. Hello. You should see this right now. This is amazing. This circulation is just, it's so textbook perfect. Yes. It's just perfect because the circulation's white clouds and then the backdrop is black. And you can just see it churning and pushing on. And it's about 2/3 of the way to the ground right now. And I'm way behind it, so I'm in no danger whatsoever. I'm getting where I can't see it anymore because of this tree. I'm gonna have to move. Let me call you back. Bye. It comes back and wraps right into that. I'll come back up north. So the storm southeast, far east Norman. And it looks like parts of the Thunderbird area. Zoom in here a little bit. So it's along a little south of Highway 9 from Noble over toward Pink, moving toward Tribune, Slaughterville. So anywhere through here, that continues with a tornado warning. And then Meeker storm, quite strong. I'm going to look north to look at this. And this is still, those watching is somewhat keep talking about you guys in northern Lincoln County to be alert. Now the intensity of that storm is coming down, which is good news. I see lots of sunshine out to our west. There are a couple severe thunderstorms out far northwest. And I'll jump out there and take a look at if they're still there. Probably along the front. If you take a look at the XL. They're moving southeast rather quickly, east of Woodward down for you folks in Moreland. So there could be some hail with these storms. Parts of Woodward County moving down to Enid and Kingfisher and El Reno.